Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in a Kia Sedona. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new H11 bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. It's also a good idea to wear gloves to protect your hands and avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. With the hood open, find the back of the headlight assembly. Depending on which side you're working on, you might need to remove a plastic cover or an air intake duct to get clear access. Once you have a clear view, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small release tab and carefully pull the connector straight off. Now, with the electrical connector removed, grasp the base of the old bulb. Twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it feels loose, then gently pull it straight out. Take your new H11 bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and align its tabs with the slots in the headlight housing. Push it in and twist clockwise to secure it. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Before reassembling everything, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If it lights up, you're all set. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Now, reinstall any covers or ducts you removed earlier, making sure they are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.